Hello YouTube, this is David. I'm just going to do a quick video here involving a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This video is going to be about changing the cabin air filter. So I know I want to show you guys how to do it step by step, but unfortunately I already took it out already, so I figured I might as well shoot a video about this. So as you can see here, your air filter is going to be located to the left of the engine. And it's going to mainly consists of removing two plastic bits, the one piece on the top, as well as this piece. This piece is just clipped on, right? And here you're going to have the actual air filter kind of resting right inside there. So make sure that the airflow is correct, the direction of the airflow. So in this case, the air should be heading inwards. So this is what we are going to do. Go ahead and put that in, make sure it locks in correctly. Get it in there. Perfect. And it should be seated real good like this. Okay. So now we go ahead and clip this thing back on. Like so. Just 1 second. Alright, there you have it. You slide the piece in like this. Make sure that the three clips align. Like so. Third clip. And one over here to the left. Alright, make sure that's snug. And go ahead and put the top piece on. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this again. Alright, the key for this top part is to make sure that these 2 clips at the top are aligned and inserted into the tabs. And go ahead and press down on the sides like this to make sure that it's snug. Like so. There you have it. This completes the tutorial to replace an air cabin filter on a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. This applies for all GLEs models 2012 all the way up to 2018. Actually, no, 2019. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys.